Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche. I just wanted to let you know that I had been working on the point panel runner, and what I did was I created an orbit runner that runs on I think it'll show up. Let's see. Um, it goes like this. It makes the circles follow along like that, which I think is good. Um, I have them running like kind of slow to see what they look like, but they can run at different speeds. And basically, what they do is instead of running looking for distance moving out, I basically put them at a point and I drew a circle around that, and then I followed them, or I had the points just follow each other, and basically um, this is pretty quick to do because you can find these y coordinates pretty quickly by, let me see here. If you go into the R point here, basically what you do is you give them a radius and you give them an angle speed. Okay. And then instead of looking for like them flying out of the circle, you just kind of move them along the circle. And this is pretty easy, basically. Basically what you do is you keep it on the center, and then you take the cosine times the radius and the sine times the radius, and cosine will give you x and sine will give you y. And as long as you, one of the things about these math and cosine things is that you have to convert angles to radians, okay? And radians are just kind of like a pi section of a circle, whereas an angle is kind of like, a distance between two lines in a circle, basically. So what you do is you can do this. You can find the current angle. You add the angle speed to it, and then I modded it by 360 to keep it within the circle. And then you can do a kind of a quick conversion of radians to angle or angle to radians by multiplying pi over 180 will give you the radians. And then you just stick this value into cosine and sine. And that gives you the new XY coordinates. And that sort of eliminates like doing this. And in this one, you don't have to really do this. You don't have to really change directions and stuff like that. So our thing is very cool, but I wanted to put this out there and show you what it does. And if you add it to, so this is updated on GitHub. There's a point object 3. And then what I did was I took the point panel. I gotta find the point runner. Where is it? Sorry. Let me turn this up. And what I did was I just kind of ran it with, let me go back up here. Point runner, there it is. I went to the point runner and ran it. And what it does now is that the things move around in like kind of a circular way. So that's kind of cool. I like that. It kind of keeps it in. It looks like it's sort of blowing in the wind. And what I did do is I slowed down the angle, and I slowed down the speed at which it animates. So it looks like it's more sort of floaty and stuff like that. But I thought this was really good work. And I want you guys to get some working version of this for that assignment on Friday. And turn something in, change the colors, make it look different. Like do something different with this, okay? But do something yourself, and let's see what you come up with. It would be cool to kind of keep them, have some ability to like click on a bigger screen and have a whole bunch of these sort of floating around and stuff like that. And I don't know, maybe we can work on that. But I think we're going to work on Connect 4 next week. So anyway, but we want to get something with this done. This looks pretty good. Basically, I'm going to put both things up on GitHub. You guys have the GitHub links, and we can see what's going on with that. Okay, so there you go. Thanks.